What are you doing, Sophia? Are you husking the corn?
Yes.
Who taught you how to do that?
Mom and Daddy told that I could.
Really? Did Abuela husk any corn?
Yes.
Did you eat corn on the cob with Abuela?
Yes.
Was it tasty?
Yes.
What did you do today, Sophia?
Activities.
You did.
Activities.
Let me see. You did a great job.
One more. One more.
Are you helping Mama cook?
Yes.
What's your favorite thing to cook? Sophia? What do you like to cook?
Yes, cook.
Do you make fruit smoothies?
Yes.
Do you know your way around the kitchen?
Yes.
Let me see it. Sophia, can I see? Wow. Thank you.
Next, what's it called? Next, Mama good, Daddy good.
Oh, I didn't put the timer on. Can you put 8 minutes for me?
Yep.
Actually 7 minutes. Actually 6 minutes.
6 minutes.